Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TCON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So just to summarize today's price movement, it was not very good, and in trading terminology, this is what we would call a gap and trap. So if you're not sure what I mean by gap and trap, well, on Friday, the price closed right here, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. So a very big gap up, and then after the opening bell rang, I mean, the price did show some strength as it moved and moved and moved, and then this is where things get pretty vicious because there were some poor souls that were buying up around this area. And then from there, it was basically all selling pressure the remainder of the day. So that's the gap and trap that took place. And now it's all about what I would definitely consider a do or die, must hold, whatever dramatic term you can think of, area of support, which sits down here at $1.75. Why is $1.75 so important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to $1.75 and then break down through it, at that point, what would you have? Well, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range where it already was. Or said another way, that would imply that the price exploded upwards to then just go right back to where it started, which is not any sort of sign of true power in the least. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to occur, but that is why that is a very important level of support moving forward. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to try to work its way back upwards, first key area of resistance to keep an eye on, going to be right there at the $1.85 mark. And then after $1.85, next key overarching level right up there around the $2 mark. But yeah, as of right now, things are looking very shaky, but we'll see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.